Hi everyone, welcome to Programming School. In TCS NQT, some MCQs based on infix to prefix and infix to postfix like that. Here I am going to explain infix to prefix. What is the algorithm here? The algorithm here is very similar to infix to postfix, but we have to do small modifications to that algorithm. What is that? First of all, the example is like this. This is the infix expression. In postfix expression directly we are going into the algorithm of the postfix expression, but here first of all we have to reverse the infix expression. I am going to reverse the expression. For example, if there is any open bracket, we have to do it as a closed bracket. If it is a closed bracket, we have to convert into open bracket like this. I am going to reverse total expression into like this. Now this is also an infix expression, but in a reverse manner here. Then I am going to apply the same algorithm what we are applied for the postfix expression. Here also we have to apply the same thing. What is the first character here? The first character is a bracket. Just directly I am going to dump that bracket into the stack. Then the next character is E. I am going to put into the output string. Then the next one is operator. If the operator is there and the top is at open bracket, we have to put that operator into the stack. That's it, nothing else. Then the next character is D. I am going to append D to the output area. Then next closed bracket. Here the top is there. Here the top. Then closed closed bracket is there. If closed bracket is there, then we have to pop all the operators within the open and closed brackets. There is only one operator inside that open and closed bracket. Then we have to delete that minus, and we have to delete everything, and we have to set again the top is equal to -1. Then what is the next character here? Again a subtraction. Then again we have to put the subtraction here. Why? Because the top is at -1. If the top is at -1, we have to directly push the operator into the stack. Then what is the next one? Next one is an operand, that is C. I am going to put directly into the output string. Then the next one is multiplication. Now I am going to check is multiplication precedence is greater than subtraction's precedence. Yes. Then I am going to insert into the stack. Then I am going to insert into the stack. Now top is at multiplication. Then B I am going to directly add here, and addition here. Now the addition operation is there. Is addition operation is operation precedence is greater than multiplication? No, not at all. Then I am going to delete this one, and I am going to append this here, and the top is going to be minus here. Again, now I am going to again check that is addition operation precedence is greater than subtraction? No, both are equal. If both are equal also, I am going to delete that one, and I am going to append into the output string here. Now again top is -1. Now I am going to add that addition to the stack here. Then A. Then I am going to append A to the output expression. Yes, this is done, but the stack is not empty. Then I have to empty all the operators within the stack. There is only one operator here. I am going to pop this one, and I have to maintain an empty stack every time. This is the output, but this is the postfix expression. This is not a prefix expression. What is the last step? Reverse the postfix expression. This is a prefix. For example, plus A subtraction multiplication BC subtraction D and E. This is the prefix expression of the above infix expression. Okay, I'm going to give some examples here. Just try to work the same algorithm. Just try to work it out and comment in the sessions. And if you like this one, just share to your friends. Thank you very much, guys. Bye.